Tonight, a bombshell from the Hennepin County Attorney's Office. Earlier this evening, County Attorney Mary Moriarty announced that she's dropping charges against State Trooper Ryan Londrigan in the fatal shooting of Ricky Cobb II. Now, this is a development that not even our own Lou Raguse saw coming. Lou, I know you've been following this case from the start.
Yeah, Morgan, this comes as a shock as Hennepin County Attorney Mary Moriarty has stuck with this case despite widespread criticism, including from Governor Tim Walz. And just 1 month ago, she hired an outside firm to take over the prosecution. But this afternoon, Moriarty dropped all charges against Minnesota State Trooper Ryan Londrigan, saying it would be impossible to prove Londrigan's actions were not an authorized use of force by an officer. Now, Moriarty gave two reasons. First, defense attorney Chris Mattel said Trooper Londrigan would testify that Ricky Cobb reached for Londrigan's gun during the traffic stop last summer. On the body camera video, after Cobb shifts the car into gear, you see his hand go up. It's unclear if he was actually reaching for the gun, but Moriarty said they would not be able to disprove Londrigan's claim beyond a reasonable doubt. Then the other reason, when Moriarty charged Londrigan with murder, she said he violated his training by shooting at a person in a moving vehicle. But since then, the actual State Patrol trainers wrote declarations saying that policy doesn't apply if deadly force is authorized, and that Londrigan did not violate any of the State Patrol's general orders. Moriarty issued a statement saying, quote, Ricky Cobb II should still be alive today. Today's necessary decision does not change that fact, nor does it exonerate Mr. Londrigan or his methods that his supervisors used to train him in difficult situations. The question of whether we can prove a case at trial is different than clearing a person of any wrongdoing. The Minnesota Police and Peace Officers Association Executive Director Brian Peters said in a statement, quote, open season on law enforcement needs to end on the streets and in the courtroom. Trooper Londrigan should never have been charged, and we are glad this political case is over. Enough is enough. And Governor Tim Walz also gave me a statement saying, quote, this decision is supported by evidence and multiple expert opinions. While I have expressed serious reservations about the approach taken and cost of this prosecution, this is clearly the right call. Now, I've learned from several sources tonight that talks from Governor Walz's office concerning taking this case from Moriarty accelerated over the last week and a half. But now that she has dropped the charges, that is a moot point. Morgan.